The Secret Recipe, DNA. Alice stood in front of the mirror, making funny faces. She examined her reflection very carefully. "I wonder," she said aloud, "why do I have Mom's eyes but Dad's nose? And why is my hair curly like Grandma's, not straight like Grandpa's? Who decided I should look exactly like this?" "It's all written in the cookbook," a voice chimed in from the direction of the bookshelf. The mooncat sat on a shelf, his fluffy tail dangling. "In the recipe book," he clarified. "Only it's not for baking cakes, but people." "And where is this book?" Alice scanned the shelves. "I haven't seen it." The cat jumped to the floor. "It's very tiny, Alice, and it's hidden in the safest vault, inside every single one of your cells. Remember that city inside you? At the heart of every cell lies a rolled-up instruction manual. It's called DNA. The cat waved a paw, and a glowing thread appeared in the air. It twisted into a beautiful long spiral, like a winding staircase disappearing into the sky. "This is what it looks like," purred the cat. "It's a very, very long staircase. Each step is a letter. In this book, absolutely everything about you is written. What color your eyes will be, how tall you'll grow, whether you'll love music, and even what your smile will look like." "Is it like a program?" Alice asked. "Like on a computer?" "Something like that, or like a blueprint for builders. When you were just a tiny speck, smaller than a grain of sand, your builder cells opened this book and read, 'All right, eyes should be gray-blue, hair light brown, nose a bit upturned,' and they started building you exactly that way." Alice curiously touched the glowing spiral with her finger. "And who wrote this book?" "Oh, it has two authors," the cat smiled. "Half the pages were written by your dad, and the other half by your mom. They took their own books, tore out half from each, and glued them together. That's why you look like both your mom and your dad, but at the same time, you are a completely new, special book." The spiral slowly melted away into the air. "There's no other book like you anywhere in the universe," the cat said softly. "You are unique. Your recipe exists in only one copy." Alice looked in the mirror again. Now she saw not just a face, but the result of an enormous secret library's work, recorded in every single part of her. "So, the story of my whole family is written inside me." "Yes, you carry messages from all your ancestors, right back to the most ancient times. Now go to sleep. Your cells need to set their clocks by the main instruction manual and continue building you, because you're still growing." Alice snuggled under her blanket. It felt good to know that she wasn't just an accident, but a very real, carefully thought-out story, written in the language of stars and life.